Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about Simplex table. You have heard everything about slack and surplus variables. Now, the first step of the Simplex method requires that we convert each inequality constraint in a linear programming formulation into an equation. Less than or equal to constraints can be converted to equations by adding slack variables, which represent the amount of an unused resource. As a question from about costume manufacturing problem, we have recently told you to apply slack variables. Maximize z equals 299x plus 249y. Subject to the constraints, 7x plus 8y less than or equal to 500. And 2x plus 4y less than or equal to 600. Where x and y are non-negative quantities. Now, on adding the slack variables alpha and beta, as in the previous video. Then, let us construct a table, CJ the basic variables, CB, having slack values. The basic variables of CJ including 299, 249, 0, and 0. First row, 7, 8, 1, and 0. The solution is 500. Second row, 2, 4, 0, 1. The solution is 600. Once the constraints in the table are set, we can add all the products. First of all, we start with the first column. 0 multiplied by 7, plus 0 multiplied by 2. We get 0, for the first column. Similarly, from second to fourth column, we'll include all zeros. This term we denote as zj, which is equal to cb multiplied by xj, as j is the sequence of 1, 2, 3, and so on, which is used as xyz instead. Now, let's subtract cj from zj, the signs are reversed by the way. Both the values 299 and 249 are in the negative form, and the rest of the 0 are the same. The most negative value is minus 299. Its column value are 7 and 2. Then let's divide it to obtain minimum ratio. The ratio is to divide the solution by column value. The minimum ratio obtained is 71.43. Its row value is 7, 8, 1, and 0. The key element is obtained as 7. To obtain new value, the old values are 2, 4, 0, and 1. Then to start with a new formula. New value equals, old value minus the column multiplied by row, divided by key element. Each and every element if you solve, you'll get a new table. Alpha is removed and x is entered. We get the row, 1, 1.14, 0.14, and 0. The solution is 71.4, and second row is 0, 1.71, minus 0.28, and 0. The solution is 457. Obtain zj minus cj will have 0, 92.71, 42.71, 0. Taking the highest number 92.71, belongs to the second column to obtain a final table. The first row is 1, 0, 0.33, and minus 0.66. And the second row is 0, 1, minus 0.16, and 0.58. The optimal solution we obtained is $136,400 as x equals minus 700 by 3 and y equals 800 by 3. Note that if in the another question that uses greater than or equal to sign, you must change these signs to get less than or equal to. So this topic you know about Simplex table. Like, comment, and subscribe now.